Hey, Alex.
Hey.
Do you know what StackExchange is?
Yes. Get out of my face.
Drew, do you know what StackExchange is?
Where you move one electronic stack to another quad?
That's funny, but no.
Oh.
StackExchange is a website where people can ask questions and get answers. This is sounding like a commercial.
That sounds awesome.
StackExchange is a...
Wow.
Let's try again. Okay. We're gonna, no, I'm not.
Guys, link in the description to StackExchange.com. Thank you so much for supporting Joshua Bardwell. Is this not sponsored?
This is not sponsored.
Oh,
StackExchange
I
is a
really
free
thought
website.
you were setting up for a sponsored
No,
thing.
but Squarespace has ruined us all, haven't they?
Yeah, and Audible. Wouldn't have ruined or made YouTube possible.
StackExchange is actually a really good resource for getting answers to questions. And the cool thing about StackExchange is you ask a question and then other experts come and answer the question and the answer is preserved for all time.
That sounds like a really awesome platform.
People can even vote on the answers to get better ones. And here's why I'm telling you about this.
Okay.
There is getting a new StackExchange started is really difficult.
Okay.
Like if you wanted to make a StackExchange on 3D printing, everybody would and there already is one. Everybody comes out of the woodwork, right? But for drones and stuff, it's very hard to get one started.
There isn't one yet.
There isn't one.
Are you starting one?
No, I'm not. But another guy is, and it has currently gotten to like almost the final stage. And we need people to go commit to the StackExchange.
Commit.
So that
Get
we need, and if not enough people are committing, then StackExchange is just like, no, screw you. You're not big enough. Get out of here. This is a really cool resource because you know how people ask you the same question all the time and you give them the same answer, and you're like, why can't there just be one Google result where I go, here's the answer? That's what StackExchange is.
Cool.
Okay, so let's do it right now.
I would like to use this.
So check it out. There's going to be a link to this down in the video description. You click and you go to StackExchange, and it is at 170 committed, and we are 41% of the way through. You're going to go to sign up.
Oh, now I can sign up with...
Maybe you need to sign up. Okay.
Oh, okay.
Ah, yes.
I've apparently previously done this.
Okay. And now, once you've done that, go to the drones and model aircraft.
So is this not going to be dedicated to FPV?
Well, yes, but maybe no. They've tried a couple other FPV-specific ones, and they've failed. And if one has already failed, they can't try to make the exact same one over again. So they have to try to... Anyway, so we're at 41% committed, and what you want to do is just hit commit, and then go through this stuff, and then there you go. They take it really seriously.
It's pretty difficult.
But they
so this isn't like just a couple of clicks and you're done, guys. It's super easy.
But
like,
they do that
thing, but it's important to do, I guess.
Well, it's up to you. They don't want a bunch of StackExchanges that just sort of die out. In fact, they used to have more liberal restrictions, and a whole bunch of new StackExchanges got created, and then nobody participated and they died out. They want to keep this super high quality, so they make it super hard to get a new StackExchange mated. And if you are just kind of half-assed, okay, I'll go click the button, just don't do it, because that's not what they want. But if you feel like this could be a really good resource, and I do, then go do the commit. And that's why I'm making this video.
Wait, hold on. FPV is a difficult hobby to learn, and I hope this StackExchange will help newcomers overcome all the barriers of entry. Is barriers to entry or up?
All right, hit the commit.
Committed.
Okay, 41%. We need to get that to 100%.
I feel like it didn't even move.
Yeah, no, it didn't. All right, thank you, Drew. Hey, Christian, do you know what StackExchange is?
Yeah, it's great. I don't use it myself. I just Google and come across it all the time.
Exactly. That's the power of StackExchange.
Yeah.
One person asks the question, a good answer gets posted, and then the next 27,000 people...
everyone else can copy-paste that code without knowing what it does for the rest of their lives.
Yes.